Are you planning your travels for 2024? Looking for the best travel credit card that will make your travels even more travel rewards? Look no further. Welcome to our ultimate guide and reviews of the 5 best travel credit cards of 2024. In this video, we dive deep into the world of best credit cards 2024 for travel, designed specifically for globetrotters, helping you unlock exclusive benefits, earn valuable rewards, and make the most of your card expenses decrease. We know that every traveler has unique preferences and requirements, so we've created a wide variety of cards that cater to different travel styles and budgets. Join us as we highlight the pros of each credit card, providing in-depth information on the various features and benefits. 5. Bank of America Travel Rewards for Students Credit Card. Rewards. Unlimited 1.5 points for every $1 spent on all purchases. Annual fee, $0. Regular April 18.24% to 28.24% variable. Foreign transaction fee, none. Welcome bonus. 25,000 online bonus points after you spend at least $1,000 in purchases in the first 90 days of account opening, which can be redeemed for a $250 statement credit toward qualifying travel and dining purchases. Intro April. 0% APR for the first 18 billing cycles on purchases, and for any balance transfers made within the first 60 days of opening your account. Balance transfer fee. 3% of the amount of each transaction. Credit needed. Good/excellent. Who's this for? The Bank of America Travel Compensations for Understudies is an extraordinary decision for understudies who anticipate concentrating abroad or going during breaks. The prizes program is intended for movement, and card holders acquire 1.5 focuses per dollar on all buys. Champion advantages. The Chase card offers 0 foreign transaction fees, perfect for students studying abroad. It also provides an extended introductory period of 18 billing cycles with 0% interest, followed by a variable APR of 18.24% to 28.24%. This year-long interest-free period allows you to manage new purchases without accruing interest, but it's advisable to pay your balance in full each month. 4. Discover It Miles, best for no yearly charge. Rewards. Resulting procure limitless 1.5x miles on each dollar of each and every purchase. Welcome bonus. Find will match every one of the miles you've procured towards the finish of your most memorable year. Annual fee, $0. Intro April 0% intro APR for 15 months on purchases. Regular April 17.24% to 28.24% variable. Balance transfer fee. 3% intro balance transfer fee, up to 5% fee on future balance transfers. Foreign transaction fee, none. Credit needed. Good/excellent. Who's this for? The Find It Miles card accompanies a liberal rewards program, for 0 yearly expense, that makes it a champion among movement cards. Standout benefits. Discover offers an outstanding welcome bonus by matching all miles earned in the first year for new card members. For instance, if you accumulate 35,000 miles within this period, Discover matches it, totaling 70,000 miles or $700 for travel. Moreover, the card doesn't have foreign transaction fees. 3. Chase Sapphire Preferred Card, best welcome bonus. Rewards. $50 yearly extreme prizes in credit, 5x focuses on movement bought through Pursue Extreme Rewards, 3x focuses on eating, 3x focuses on select web-based features and online staple buys, barring Objective, Walmart and discount clubs, 2x focuses on any remaining travel buys, and 1x focuses on any remaining buys. Welcome bonus. Get 60,000 extra focus after spending $4,000 in purchases within the first 3 months of account opening. That's $750 when you claim it back through Pursue Extreme Rewards. Annual fee, $95. Intro April, none. Regular April, 21.49% to 28.49% variable on purchases and balance transfers. Balance transfer fee, either $5 or 5% of the amount of each transfer, whichever is greater. Foreign transaction fee, none. Credit needed, excellent/good. Who's this for? Pursuit Sapphire Favored has a loyal following among explorers looking for an action-focused rewards program and a strong set of benefits. What makes this card sparkle the most is its liberal invitation reward offer. Standout benefits: this card provides a $50 annual Ultimate Rewards hotel credit, no foreign transaction fees, primary rental car insurance, trip cancellation/interruption insurance, baggage/trip delay insurance, a 10% points boost on each anniversary, and complimentary Dash Pass membership until December 31, 2024. 2. Capital One Venture Rewards Credit Card, runner-up. Rewards: 5 miles for each dollar on lodging and rental vehicles booked through Capital One Travel, 2x miles per dollar on each and every other buy. Welcome bonus: acquire 75,000 extra miles once you burn through $4,000 on buys in no less than 90 days from account opening. Annual fee, $95. Intro April NA for purchases and balance transfers. Regular April 19.99% to 29.99% variable. Balance transfer fee, $0 at the exchange APR, 4% of how much each moved equilibrium that presents for you at a limited time APR that Capital One might propose to you. Foreign transaction fee, none. Credit needed, excellent/good. Who's this for? The Capital One Endeavor Prizes Charge Card offers an overflow of movement benefits. Particularly important for those need a direct approach to procuring prizes without shuffling extra classifications. Standout benefits: travelers going abroad are not eligible for any unusual change charges. Cardholders likewise receive up to a $100 credit to cover worldwide pass or TSA pre-check registration. 1. American Express Gold Card, winner. Rewards: 4x participation rewards focuses at eateries, in addition to takeout and conveyance in the US, and at US grocery stores, on up to $25,000 each schedule year in buys. Then 1x, 3x focuses on flights booked straightforwardly with carriers, 1x focuses on any remaining buys. Welcome bonus: acquire 60,000 membership rewards focuses after you burn through $6,000 on qualified buys with your new card inside the initial half year of card participation. Annual fee, $250. Intro April, not applicable. Regular April, see pay over time APR. Balance transfer fee, NA. Foreign transaction fee, none. Credit needed, excellent/good. Who's this for? The American Express Gold Card is a shrewd decision for shoppers who love voyaging and feasting out because of its liberal prizes rates. While the card accompanies a $250 yearly expense, see rates and charges, it offers premium rewards that assist with balancing the expense. Standout benefits: the Amex Gold Card offers up to $120 in annual dining credit, $10 monthly at Grubhub, Goldbelly, The Cheesecake Factory, and select restaurants, and up to $120 in Uber Cash, $10 monthly, for US rides and Uber Eats dining. Requires adding the Amex Gold Card as a payment method in the Uber app. Thanks for watching our ultimate guide to the top 5 travel credit cards 2024. Don't miss out on this opportunity to make smart decisions when it comes to your travel credit card. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more travel tips and recommendations. Happy travels!